is up, everyone? Today is the big day. We are gonna start the wrap. We're gonna start wrapping it today. It's gonna be very fun, I hope. Yeah, so first thing we gotta do is remove these old badges and start. Oh! Bruh.
What the hell?
It just pushed.
What the hell? Is it even on?
I don't know. Well, looks like I'm getting new ones. Wow, that's so funny. Bruh, that's hilarious. Cause I was like, hold on, this feels loose, and I go. That's so funny. Well, yeah, we gotta take all these badges off, take off whatever else we need to, and yeah, we're just gonna time lapse everything because it's gonna be a really stressful process. Just for a quick recap of what we're gonna do. Start with the fenders and the hood. Bumper we're not gonna do, we're gonna do that last in case, because I'm looking for another bumper. Then we're just gonna move down the line. Whatever we can do in one day, it's fine, and then we'll do the rest tomorrow. So ready, set, go. Oh, and we're gonna start with the quick wipe down clay bar just to get all the whatever we can off. Ready, set, and go. Okay, quick update. We just clay barred the entire car. Now we're just gonna lay out the entire wrap from front to back, just like Paradox does it, and measure everything out. Yeah, it feels so much better and smoother. I did find a couple more spots where the clear coat is peeling, especially up here. I didn't even realize that. I'm pretty sure this is like a burn mark from fucking tree sap. I hate my tree so much. But yes, let's start laying it out. Alright, we pretty much fucked up the first wrap. I'm just gonna put it out there. We didn't measure it. Well, I didn't measure it right the first time. I didn't give us enough leeway. So now we are doing it right. It looks a lot better now than before. Thank you, Paradox, for the step-by-step. Let's do this. All right, everyone. So we have a couple updates. It's the second day. It's gonna be a multiple day process. I thought we could do this in one day early, but since I'm new to wrapping, it's been really difficult doing it. Let me just show you. So this first fender, we failed horribly the first time. I didn't measure it right. I didn't give myself enough leeway. When we did it, it came out okay. We have blemishes though, like, you know, right here you can really see that. I'll probably cover that up with like a split. The hood came out almost flawless, but I ended up cutting this a bit too short. So right there, it kind of hurt. What else? come on, don't flash on me like that. And as for like paint chips and stuff, there are quite a few. I didn't really sand it, I guess, as good as I thought. No worries though. Like I said, it's just daily. It's not a show car. I'm very proud of how we're doing this. That I'm actually doing it with my brother Zamir. So we're actually doing pretty good. This fender was probably the nicest thing that we've done. Some more sanding issues right here that I didn't take care of very well. We tucked this fender probably the best out of everything. Then we go to the roof, which was very much more difficult than I thought. Proud of everything that we accomplished over here. We did the entire roof plus the back part, top half of the hatch, and then once we got over here, it ended up like folding really bad right here. So what we did was we had to like stretch the material as much as we could, which is why we have these strings right here. Not tripping though. Like I said, it's not a show car. I love how we're actually doing it ourselves. That's the main point. And then the worst part, this, holy fuck. We really underestimated the roof with this part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut this out, lay an entire roof straight, you know, just leave it flat around it, and then probably cut an extra piece around it and just leave it there. Who knows? We'll see. So we'll end up doing that. All right, it's been almost a month already. No, it's like the third week. We took a week off because we were so tired. No, I'm just kidding. We just haven't had enough time to work on it. So here's our update video. Since you saw the clip of the bumper and the lip install, it's probably been a week already, yeah. But that's how she looks like in the sun. She looks really good from far away. But yeah, we do have blemishes and stuff, so I mean, you can't really look at them if you ain't trying to look for them. But I'm proud of it. Here's the lip. We have to lay it out in the sun so that it goes back to its original shape. It's not even that hot though, so I don't think it's gonna even like do anything. But yeah, door handles, side mirrors, and the wing, we're painting them. I don't know if I included those clips before or after this, but we'll see. Today we're working on the bumper and the side skirts, and that's all we have left to wrap. And we decided to go a different route for this bumper. Since I can't find the Type R bumper, we're just gonna kind of like jerry rig it. We took off the grill. We're gonna leave the grill off. Yeah, we're gonna cut these tabs off right here and just make it smooth and wrap over it. And then we're gonna Dremel this plastic piece off because I don't like it. I don't like this plastic piece off. It's gonna be open mouth with the lip, Airwalker lip. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's finally finish this build.
good.
Hard. Look at that. That's okay. That looks hard. 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 Ah! Jesus Christ. That's not with the lip. Let's add the lip. Streams. Nice, bro. Okay. Big shout out to Stephen. Sorry, bro. I'm chopping up your name. AKA Giraffe GTR for these Prelude wheels. He just was getting rid of them. So we slid them to the boy. So we're gonna put them on right now. See how they look on the EP3. Hopefully, it looks good.
We got hella clearance now.
You're right. Look at that, barely clears. Boom. Prelude wheels. Fit on the rear, now for the fronts. Damn, that's crazy. Bro, you can host that Type 4 now.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that looks so good. Tell me it don't look good. All right, that's crazy. Only thing is, so it actually did fit. Like we were worried that it would rub, but it's actually good. The only thing is that the front two wheels have very positive camber. Yes, slowly but surely, it is getting done. That shit looks mean, boy. Wet. Hard.
You are wet, my guy.
Hard. I'm also hard. All right, the car is finally done. We have finished the wrap. Very proud of what we've done, how far we've gone. It's not the best at all. Major flaws, but gives it character, and I'm very, very happy with it. There's Tristan in the back. He walks away. All right, so here we go. Ready? We'll wait. All right, ready? Here's the reveal of the wrap at night, and I'll probably cut to some like little like daytime reveals. There she is. Here she is at night. The wrap is done, so that means that we're done putting every single piece on. We just need to put the trims back on, so the lights, the little reflectors, The side mirrors need to go back on after I'm done painting them. Need to get the handlebars back on. The little trim piece right here and the little trim piece right here. And we're waiting on one more piece, which is gonna go back here on the trunk door, the lock. It's gonna be a carbon fiber piece done by Kaiza. Kaiza's the guy that I go to for all my carbon. Yeah. Wash your hands, boy. Yeah, perfect. But now that the car is white, you can definitely see how yellow the headlights are. So we're gonna have to redo those very soon. As soon as we get the car home, we'll probably do that. Yeah, so we did finish the bumper today, and there's a little chip right there. We just need to put the lip on there. I need to paint the lip also. But who knows when the fuck I'm gonna do that. So we'll see. I just like how it looks like this alone. All right, now let's drive it.
Dreamland.